Let's continue to look at the assignment statement, and this time we're going to look at a case where the variable name is used on both the left and the right hand side of the assignment. So let's go back to our previous example where we had a score that was a reference to 82. In other words, we had taken a test and we had gotten an 82, and so we had performed an assignment statement. Score is assigned the value 82, and of course when I print score and run, I see that score is holding or is referring to the value 82. But now let's say that I discovered that I should have had one extra point, one more point. Well, I could do one of two things. I could make score refer to 83, or I could take a different approach and say my score is actually one more than it was before. And I know how to do one more, that means addition. So what I could think about doing here is writing an assignment statement that says the new score is going to be whatever the score was plus 1. Now look at that assignment statement. It might look very strange to you because the variable score is being used on both sides of the assignment operator. But remember that the assignment statement is very easy to work with because it's a two-step process. You evaluate the right-hand side, and then the resulting data object is going to be referred to by the left-hand side. And even though it's the same name, we don't have any problem because it's occurring on the correct side or on different sides of that assignment statement depending upon where we are in that process. So in this particular case, when I evaluate the right hand side, score, which is currently referring to 82, so when I look at score, that's 82. 1, add those together, and the result is the data object 83. And then the second step is let score refer to the data object, and so score now will refer to the data object 83, and of course as we saw before that means that the reference to 82 goes away, and now score is referring to 83. Using an assignment statement like this where we have the variable occurring on both the left and the right hand side of the assignment statement is a case of assignment that we call updating. We're making an update to a variable based on its own value. The original value of score, add 1, becomes the new value of score. So now, if we continue this example, and I say, now score, assignment operator, score plus 1, and then perform the print on score. Now when I run the program, I should see that the first time it prints out, we get 82, and then the next time we print out, we get 83. By the way, sometimes when you add 1, as in this case, this type of an update is called an increment. So this is a very common pattern. Variable assigned variable plus 1. It's an update of the same variable, adding 1, and we say that we are incrementing. And you can imagine that we could also think about decrementing if we were going to subtract 1.